Good afternoon, guys. Angel Casares with Keller Williams Realty here in El Paso, Texas, and I'm standing inside of Maravilla home. This is our Nicolas Tuscany model, which is 2,145 square feet. It's a 4-bedroom, 3-bath, and I'm gonna give you guys a quick tour of it. So we're here outside the home. So again, this is a 2,145 square foot home, 4 bedrooms, 2 baths, 2 stories. You have your 2-car garage. Okay, so as soon as you walk into the home, to your left hand side, you're gonna have a bedroom there. We are currently using it as an office, but let me show you guys so you guys could get an idea. Okay, you have a closet right there, 2 windows for lots of natural light. Here is your staircase to the 2nd floor. But as soon as you're walking in, you do have high ceilings and you have this little hall right here. And a neat thing right here is you have a design up in your ceiling to give it a little bit more personality, a little bit more character to the home. To your right hand side, you have access to your garage along with your laundry room, which has plenty of space. And to your right hand side, you do have some storage space right over here. So this is under your staircase, so you have plenty of storage in there. And also right here, you have a full bathroom. Okay, so here's your granite countertops and a standing shower. Also, one thing I do like is you have a tile all the way to the ceiling. So now we're stepping into the living room. This floor plan is an open concept floor plan. If you can see, you have your dining table over there, and then also you have your cabinets and one kitchen right here. You have a really nice electric fireplace. Lots of natural light. Your sliding doors along with windows. You have some beams over here. And one of my favorite things about this home is that you have the island right here, and then also you have, of course, you have your stove, but you turn it to the side, and you have more space over here. So you do have lots of cabinet space along with lots of counter space. And again, some more lights. You have some more windows. Sorry about that. And then you have windows right there. You have your exhaust vents, which go all the way outside. So now I'm going to take you guys to the 2nd floor, which we have 3 other bedrooms and a full bathroom over there also. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys this side over here first. Of course, you do have a linen closet right here. And here is the 2nd bedroom. So this is a 4-bedroom, and you do have 1 downstairs and 3 upstairs. Okay, really nice size. Okay, so now we're stepping into the 3rd bedroom. Same size as the one we just saw right now. bathroom with your tub slash standing shower combo. Again, tile all the way to the ceiling. And now we're stepping to the master bedroom. Okay, you can step out over here, put some chairs right here, and look outside. Now I'm going to show you guys one of my favorite things of this home, which is a master bathroom. You do have a standing shower and a standalone tub also. So check this out. You have your double vanities. Okay, your standing tub. And your standing shower with 2 shower heads. And again, you have lots of natural light. You have a window right over here, another one over here, another one over here, and you have a skylight also. Okay, and straight ahead you have your toilet. And here is your master closet, which is a really nice size also. Okay, and that is it for this home. I hope you guys liked it. If you guys have any questions about this home or any other home here in El Paso, feel free to reach out. My number is 915-242-5441. Again, Angel Casares, Keller Williams Realty. Hope to talk to you guys soon. Bye-bye.